Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant Sharma, and today I'm going to explain you how to score excellent rank in NEET PG 2024 exam in last few days which remains in your hand. Okay, so guys, this is a peak time or this is a golden opportunities. This delay exam for those who are beginner or those who are not prepared well, and those who are prepared well, that is also a good opportunity. Why? Because you receive some more time for practice and for revision. So don't be panic. Next week we are going to announce official dates, so now you have time. So guys, if you want to crack NEET PG exam or if you want to score excellent rank in the exam, then this video is for you. Don't skip this video, do watch. I tell you a lot of things in this video. So guys, if you are preparing well but you don't know what is the right way, what is right path, how to study, where to study, which material is right, which material is wrong. If material is right, they provide you 25,000 MCQs, lot of videos which is not possible to study in a short small duration. For this I have a subscription program which definitely helps you to score rank below 2000. Okay, so in that subscription program I provide you 500 recorded videos. One video duration is 5 minutes only. One day or 2-3 days you are able to finish all 500 videos. Okay, and 800 one-liners from 8 small subjects I provide you. Each subject I provide you 100 one-liners, total 800 one-liners. Small subjects like ENT, orthopedics, psychiatry, radiology, such small subjects, they ask direct MCQs. Ophthalmology, direct MCQs. Anesthesia, direct MCQs. One-liners in exam they like to ask from these small subjects. Lot of probability and lot of scoring subject these are. Okay, these small subjects provide you direct answer. Okay, this boosts your confidence. One more thing, 30 minutes single rapid revision video also I provide you. So 800 one-liners plus 30 minutes one revision video, finish in a one day. Possible to finish in a one day. Then 500 videos 3-4 days. Total 5 to 6 days you are able to cover this complete course. Then everyday revision. This helps you to boost your confidence. This helps you to score excellent rank in exam. So guys, if you want to take this subscription program, earlier the price is 5,000, but now time duration is small, so I reduce the price and now fee is 3,000 rupees only. And how to join this subscription program, details available in description of this video. Helpline WhatsApp number is also there. So guys, if you are preparing for NEET PG, if you are not prepared well, or if you are a beginner, or if you are a repeater, lot of time you are repeating same mistakes in same exam, then this subscription program will help you. In a short path, short video duration, you are able to crack this exam. Thank you for watching this video. Good day, goodbye.